Good morning and a very warm welcome to you all. Dear students of grade 7, this is your video lecture number 2 and I'm your teacher Aisha Nazir. I hope you all are good and enjoying good health by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is our lecture number 2. In our previous video we have done story and today we are going to do a part of speech, and the part of speech is noun. We are not only discussing noun but also the types of nouns. You all are very much familiar with nouns. What are nouns? Noun is the name of person, animal, place, thing or feeling. You can see in the picture, name of person, here we have a boy. Name of animal, here we have a cat. Name of place, here we have a house. Name of thing, here we have a chair. Or feeling, you can see an emoji with sad face. Means sadness is also a noun. It's a feeling. Sadness, happiness, joy, courage. These all are emotions and feelings. These are the things that we cannot touch, but we can feel. These are the things that cannot be perceived with our five senses, but it's something that we can feel. Okay, so these are also nouns. Coming towards the main topic of the day, which is types of nouns. We are having many types of nouns, dear students, but in our this video we are discussing only 5 types of noun. Okay, and these types of nouns are the main categories of nouns. So the first one is a proper nouns, number 2 common nouns, number 3 collective nouns, number 4 abstract nouns, and number 5 material nouns. Material nouns, or we can also say concrete nouns. Coming toward the proper noun, what are proper nouns? These are names of special people, places or events. You can see from the name it's proper. Okay, so these are the names of proper or special people, special places or special events. For example, Kim, it's a name of a person. For example, I'm saying that Kim is going to school, or a boy is going to school. When I'm saying a boy is going to school, boy is common. It could be any boy. But if I say Kim is going to school, means I'm referring to a special person. So Kim is a proper noun here. Lauren, Steve, Christmas, which is an event. Mars, it's a planet. Tasmania, April, Wednesday, Easter, Queensland, and Geelong. These are the name of places, Queensland or Geelong. Okay. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. Now you must remember this thing, that proper nouns always start with capital letter. You can see here in examples, all the first letters are capital because these are proper nouns. The second one is common nouns. As you can see from the name common, these are the names of common things. Okay, common things, common, it can be people, common places. Okay, for example, hills, kittens, glue, house, pool, eggs, towel, moon, train, seagull, and chocolate. These are common nouns that doesn't have a noun that doesn't have a proper name. For example, if I'm saying that for chocolate, if I say that it is a dairy milk chocolate, now when I'm saying dairy milk, I'm giving it a proper name. I'm talking about a special chocolate brand, that is dairy milk. So dairy milk is proper noun. But when I say only chocolate, so chocolate कोई भी हो सकता है. That is why it's a common noun. Okay, a house कोई भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, pool, it's a common thing. A train is common, seagull is common. ठीक है, moon, it's a common thing. So these are common nouns. Now common nouns never start with capital letters unless they begin in a sentence. You must remember these things, that proper nouns start with capital letter while common nouns start with small letter. Okay, but if it is the start of a sentence, that of course we have to capitalize it. Okay, the next one is our collective nouns. These are groups of things. When we are referring to something, the things that are in group, okay, and we are giving it a name, that name is called a collective noun. For example, bunch of flowers. Bunch of flowers now means many flowers, but we have given it a single name, bunch, so it is a collective noun. Herd, fleet, flock, pride, school, army, team. Now see here, army and team, it consists of many number of people, number of members, but we say just a team. Okay, a cricket team. Now we know that a team consists of many people, but we are giving them a collective name and it is team. Crowd, swarm, band or choir. So these are collective noun when we are referring to something in groups, and those things must be of similar nature. Okay, वो एक जैसे होने चाहिए, तो वो उस पूरे ग्रुप के हम एक कलेक्टिव नेम दे देते हैं, उस नेम को हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. ठीक है. The next one is abstract nouns. Now it is very interesting. These are feelings, attitude and characteristics. These are feelings, and we can say that these are ideas, something that we can feel, but we cannot perceive them with our five senses. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them, but we can feel them. For example, grief कहते हैं गम को, दुख को. ठीक है. Peace is something that we cannot touch. Peace is something that we cannot see, but we can feel it. Okay. Anger, loneliness, joy, love, kindness and discovery. So these all are abstract noun. The next one is material noun, or it is also known as concrete noun. Material noun is the name of a material or a substance from which things are made and which we can see, hear, smell, taste or touch. Now in our previous one, abstract noun, we say that these are the things that we cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch. But material or concrete nouns are those things that we can hear, we can see, we can smell, taste or touch. For example, she is kneading flour. Flour is something that is material noun. It is something that has a physical existence. We can see it, we can taste it, we can touch it. Okay. The next one is iron is a hard metal. Iron is now a thing that we can touch, okay, and we can see. The ring is made of gold. Now gold is also a material thing. It has a mass, it has a physical existence. This chair is made of wood. Now you can see wood here is a material noun, okay, and chair is also a material noun here. Okay, so these are the nouns that has physical existence, that we can see, we can perceive with our five senses. So this was all about our nouns, and now we are going to do our notebook work and the work from home project question number 2. Okay dear students, let's start with our notebook work. For this you need to have your work from home project. Okay, so kindly go to school and collect your work from home project and start your notebook work. In our work from home project, you can see that we have done question number 1 in our first video. Now today we are going to do question number 2. Write the name of kinds of noun in front of each given words. We have given some words and they are asking us to put the proper type of noun here in the blank or the bracket. Okay, so for this you need to take out your English B side And in your English B-side, first of all, what you guys have to do, you have to write down the date, you have to draw a margin line, and after that you have to give the heading of nouns, okay, with capital letters, and you have to do all the shading and sketching, okay. I'm not very good at sketching, but you guys are very best and very good at it, so you have to make beautiful sketches here, okay, with your pencils, and then do the shadings. Then you have question number 2. Write down the question. Write the name of kinds of noun in front of given words. We have discussed earlier that what is noun and the kinds of noun, okay, and now we have given number of nouns. We have to identify that which type of noun is this. The first one is crowd. As we have discussed that when we are talking about something that is many, or that is a lot in numbers but similar in nature, so we give them a collective name. That collective name is called collective noun, okay. And here it is a crowd. Crowd means when we have, if it's a crowd of people, when we say that number of peoples, when there are number of peoples in a congested way, we say it's a crowd, okay. So crowd is a collective noun. It represent number of people. Number second is bravery. Bravery means himmat or bahadri, okay. So bravery is something that we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel it, we can sense it, and that is why it is called abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the nouns that we cannot touch or see, but we can feel. Next one is Lahore. You can see Lahore is a name of proper and special place, that is why it is a proper noun. Next is flock. As we have discussed in our video lecture, that flock is a group. When we say flock of birds, so we mean that group of birds. Flock means group, okay. Jhund को flock कहते हैं, ठीक है. So it is a collective noun, represent number of things, similar things, okay. Next is men. Men is a common noun, okay, because it's just a man. I'm not saying the name of man, but just a man, okay. So it is common in nature. Next is gold. Gold, now it's a name of thing, okay, but the thing that is concrete in nature, it is something that we can touch, that we can see, so it is a concrete noun, or you can also say that it is a material noun, okay. So these are the number of nouns that we have done. I hope you have understood this video lecture, and inshallah we will see you in our next video lecture. Till that time, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz and goodbye.